Somebody's having trouble figuring out which nest box they want to be in this morning. She's stretching her jaws out too. She's looking at me like, why do I keep messing with her? But I just put in some new nesting boxes, so they're enjoying them. They actually are going back and forth trying to figure out which ones they like the best. So, two, she keeps walking back and forth between these two, trying to lay her egg. And they stretch their jaws like that all the time. I don't know why. It's cool in here. Here she goes walking. Now I'm going to try the other one. I think she wants me to leave her alone. Okay, I'll leave you alone. She's probably wishing the roosters would leave her alone too, the way her back's looking. But that's part of being a hen. She's a good girl. Alright. See y'all later. God bless. Have fun laying that egg, girl.